There is jollof rice and there is the perfect jollof rice. Hi Fides, welcome back to Treasure Spice. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So your pot, add any vegetable of your choice and go in with your onions. I'm using this vegetable oil I used to fry some chicken earlier. So go in with your onions, saute for a while, then go in with your tomatoes. Let it, your thin tomatoes, let it fry and dry up before going with your pepper mix of tomatoes, tatashe, shabo, and habanero pepper. Then fry this green. Let this goodness actually fry and dry up, my love. Trust me, it's gonna give you the perfect jollof rice. There was a time I usually struggled with making the perfect jollof rice, but over time I actually hacked it. See how dried and fried this is? This is how your jollof rice base has to look like. To get this consistency, you need time and patience. Don't be in a hurry, my guy. You're cooking the perfect jollof rice. Trust me. Then go in with your washed rice and saute, fry this up. Like, just let them collabo, let them marinate, let them marry each other and sit down together and born children. Then you will know you have to go in with what? Your mixed stock, guys. Then go in with your mixed stocks. I have a little bit of mixed stock, so I had additional water, lots of additional water. Then stir this in together to incorporate. Then I go in and check in for seasoning. Then I adjust for seasoning. I went in with this perfect jollof rice spice that I've been using for a very long time. Then mixed herbs, some paprika for more color, then benny for to taste. Then just stir this up and cover and allow to cook, my love. I checked this up 10 minutes later and this is what we're having, my love. This is so beautiful and so gorgeous. Trust me, it smells so good. By this time the aroma in my kitchen was mind-blowing. So I went in with some butter, then some vegetable, of course, some sweet corn, kidney beans, carrot and green pea, and cover a lot to simmer, and voila, our perfect authentic jollof rice is ready, my people. This is so good, so juicy, so beautiful, so delicious. My neighbors were begging. I was like, it's so small to share, but what do? I have to share. Thanks for watching, my love. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Trust me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.